Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing how you can restore your deleted photos or videos on your iPhone. What you need to do is just go to your photos, and what you need to do is just swipe upside, keep going down, and under this section, utility section, you can see that there are recently deleted photos here. What you need to do is just tap on the recently deleted photos, and it will require your passcode. Just view the album and provide the passcode to the phone, and it will automatically show all of your deleted photos which you have deleted previously, either by mistake or intentionally, and it will show you all the deleted photos. And now how you can recover them, just tap on it, and here the recovery option, just tap on it and it will be recovered into your photo section automatically. Remember this, that the photos which were in the deleted section, recently deleted section, will only last for 40 days and you can recover from them. Another way which you can recover from your photos or videos which you have recovered from after deleting them, you need to go to the settings, and after going to the settings you need to go to your ID, and in your ID you see that your iCloud account, make sure you have an active synchronization of your iCloud photos with your iCloud, and all of your data will automatically store to your iCloud. And by turning this on, as for my case I have turned off because I have not bought the space, because each photo consume a lot of space in iPhone. So after turning this on and syncing and buying the extra cloud storage, what you need to do is just go to your browser, Safari browser, and you can type here iCloud, and a screen like this will come up, and you need to sign in your account. As my account is already signed in, so it will take me into it. And after signing in, as you can see, you can access your account, and under this section here you see, just tap on it, and you see that there are photos. Okay, just tap on it and you'll be able to access all your photos which were your within your phone, will be stored on your iCloud, and you can download them easily or share a link with your friend or family, and that's how you can actually recover your deleted photos from your iCloud and phone within iPhone. I hope this video helping out in figuring your issues, and keep liking and subscribing to our channel. Until next video, bye bye.